These all are the grains. These are the dispenser. They are filled. Their prices are mentioned there.
Her şeyi söyledin mi? Senin için sordum bana.
All kinds of grains for birds. This is feed as well. Pellets, chicken pellets. And this is dispenser area. This is cat food. Different types of cat foods. It's a huge shop and completely filled with a lot of pet items. You can see these cat foods, shampoo for cat, pet grooming materials. These are the handlers of cat. See, big packets of cat food. These are in tin cans.
Bana 2 kilo da sokak kedileri için yemliği var kedi.
Some dog foods are also here.
Sokak
These are playful area for cat.
kedileri için ya. Böyle
These are the toys.
Hafa var abi. He?
Parrot for cat. These are toys. These are pigeon food for nest of toys. Neck band for your pet. The beautiful art. It's an amazing. These are fish food for your aquarium. All things we can see here. Also kind of seafood, fish food. Pet beds. Harness for dog and cat. Balls.
Elemanım değil ya, ortağım ben.
Dog stick for chewing. These are the seats in the shop.